Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. Today I'm going to talk about my basil plant I've been growing for the past... Lulu sees a squirrel. Like I said, today I'm going to be talking about my basil plant that I've been growing since, I believe since February, beginning March, right to the end of February, and it's still producing fresh leaves even through the hot summer months and won't stop. It's gorgeous. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video is because this is the first time it's ever gone almost to November, but it doesn't look like it's dying off, even though we're getting in the 40s, low 50s at night, and it's still pushing. Now, the big difference between this plant and the previous years of growing basil, I did a heavy amount of fine wood chip mulching on the bottom of this plant. Previous years, like most things in my garden, they all have wood chips covering the floor, especially around the plant, but I didn't do so much on my herbs because I don't want it to impede on the growth or anything like that. I did put wood chips around my plants, like my cilantro and other things like that, herbs that is, but not so heavily because I don't want to, like I said, impede on the growth. But obviously that is not the case. I live in Central California, Zone 9B, and many people on Instagram were asking me, do you think it's worth even growing in this location where we have hot summer months where, you know, typically this plant will just bolt, much like cilantro. Cilantro still bolts regardless. Anything above 85 to 90, it's going to go straight to flower. But 100 plus degree weather, still never went yellow, did great. In previous years, much like this year, I always did foliar feeding with seaweed and fish emulsion. I did that as well this year, including with a lot of fine wood chip mulching, about 4 to 6 inches deep around this plant. And Lulu's drinking out of the hose again. Lulu, say hi. Don't have time for me or the audience? Now, another little tip that I could tell you I was doing is I was, of course, removing the flowers, which, by the way, have the most potent smell of all, and just tossing it over on the side. Obviously, that does help keep it producing leaves, but like I said, this is the longest production of leaves, so a good solid March, end of February, but March all the way till the end of October, one plant. And we pull from it every week, a few leaves a week for our sauces. So, amazing. Happy gardening, everyone.
Hello, everyone. So, like, share, subscribe. And bye, everyone. I can't remember.